3 ways to keep the 12-volt battery charged on your Porsche 718, 981 or 991. First option. Charge directly to the battery. Remove the plastic cover under the bonnet to access the battery. Connect the red positive cable to the positive terminal. Black negative cable goes to the ground point. Plug the power cable into the wall socket. Press mode to select the charging program. Check the battery label first, AGM or lead acid. Indicator 4 means ready to start the engine. Indicator 7 means fully charged. To stop at any time, unplug from the wall socket. Second option. Swap the clamp connectors for the cigarette plug adapter. Plug into the center console cigarette socket. Green light indicates charging status. Third option is a cigarette plug in the passenger footwell. Once again, you can stop charging at any time by disconnecting the power cable from the wall socket, or leave it until indicator 7 lights up for the full charge.